Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to buy American Airlines miles. Hey, let us now talk about how to buy AAdvantage miles or American Airlines Advantage miles. So of course you want to log into your Advantage account. Head over to the Advantage section on your AA.com, which is this one, and then go to log in. Next is you want to choose the number of miles. So you can typically purchase in increments of 1000 miles starting from a minimum of 2000 miles. Annual purchase limit is 150,000 miles per calendar year. Next is of course if you don't matter for promotional discounts, and for those who do, then here are you want to check for promotional discounts. So American Airlines frequently offers tier discounts, just like 6,000 to 24,000 miles, you'll get a 10% discounts. 25,000 to 79,000 miles, you'll get a 15% discounts, so on and so forth. So the lower the effective price to around 2.44 cents per mile at their best years. So in some rare promotion, deeper discounts like up to 50% off have been offered when buying very large volumes such as 450,000 miles. But these are atypical and may exceed standard annual limits during promotion period. So lastly is you want to complete your purchase. You want to review your costs, enter payment method, and then finalize the transaction. Miles typically credit to your account within a few hours or may cost up to 8 hours. And that is all on how to buy AA or American Airlines Advantage miles.